Hello students, today we are going to start exercise 11.3. In this exercise, all the questions are statement sums. So see what is the first question, and I am repeating that you will read the statement at least for 2 times. Question number 1, Jyoti reads the newspaper for 120 minutes. How many hours is that? What is given and what we want to know. Read it again. Jyoti reads the newspaper for 120 minutes. How many hours is that? It means minutes are given to us and we want to convert minutes into hours. So how we will write the statement? Jyoti read the newspaper is equal to 120 minutes. This is given. Now time in hours. So same pattern we will use which we used in exercise 11.2. 1 minute is equal to 1 divided by 60 hour. 120 minutes. You know well, when we are converting smaller to bigger unit, we are dividing. Minutes are smaller and hours are bigger. So 1 minute is equal to 1 divided by 60 hour. So 120 minutes. 120 divided by 60 hour. So see, cancellation, this 0 is cancelled by this 0. 12 divided by 6, 2 hours. So this is the answer for question number 1. Question number 2. A farmer spends 1 hour 35 minutes to milk his cows. Find the number of minutes he spends in milking the cows. See, read the question again. What is given? Given time is given in 1 hour 35 minutes and we want to convert into minutes only. So read one more time. A farmer spends 1 hour 35 minutes to milk his cows. Find the number of minutes he spends in milking the cows. It means time spent to milk cows is 1 hour 35 minutes. So now we want to convert into minutes. So time in minutes, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. This we know. So 1 hour 35 minutes. Minutes are already minutes. We will convert hour into minutes. 1 multiplied by 60. 60 minutes and 35 minutes we will add as it is. So 60 minutes plus 35 minutes is equal to 95 minutes. So this was question number 2. Now question number 3. Ria worked for 2 years 2 months in a company A and 36 months in company B. In which company did she work for a longer time? So here we are doing comparison. So one thing is clear that the units are different and we cannot compare until or unless the units will be similar. So I am going to read it again. Ria worked for 2 years 2 months in company A. For company A, the time period is given in years and months, and for company B it is given 36 months. In which company did she work for a longer time? So to do comparison, we will convert this time also in months. Ria worked in company A 2 years 2 months and in company B 36 months. So we will make the unit similar. So 1 year is equal to 12 months. So 2 years 2 months. Months are already months, so we will convert years into months. 2 multiplied by 12 because in 1 year 12 months. So 2 multiplied by 12 plus 2 months. Now both are months. 12 2s are 24 plus 2 months as it is. 24 plus 2, 26 months. So Ria worked in company A for 26 months and in company B for 36 months. So in company B, she worked for a longer time. So this is the answer for third question. Ria worked in company B for longer time. Now question number 4. Atul attended painting classes for 138 days. How many months and days is that? Again, days are given and we will convert into months and days. So it means smaller unit is given and we are converting into bigger. So what will we do here? Divide. So see the statement. Number of days spent in painting classes is equal to 138 days. But we want to convert into months and days. So time in months and days, 1 day is equal to 1 divided by 30 month. So 138 days is equal to 138 divided by 30 months. This in rough here division, 34s are 120, 18 remainder. So quotient months and remainder days. So answer is 4 months 18 days. So this was about exercise 11.3. So now we will start exercise 11. Now exercise 11.4. A part, find the sum. We are adding different units of time here. There is a big difference between the addition, simple addition, and the addition of time. See, when we were adding kg or liters or milliliters or any other units, so we are carrying the units here also, but now there is a difference in the addition of units of time. See, you will be more clear when we will do sums. Question number 1, 4 hours 40 minutes plus 6 hours 10 minutes. So we will write down here hours and minutes. So 4 hours 40 minutes, 6 hours 10 minutes. So we will do, this is simple addition. When the minutes will cross 60, then change will be there. So 0 plus 0, 0, 4 plus 1, 5. 50 minutes, 4 plus 6, 10, 10 hours. So answer is 10 hours 50 minutes. Now question number 2, 5 hours 45 minutes plus 55 minutes. See here, 5 hours 45 minutes plus 55 minutes. Nothing is there in hours, so 0 will be written here. See here, 5 plus 5, 10, 0 here, 1 carry. 1 plus 4 plus 5, 10. See, this carry 1 we will not take into hours. This is a difference. I am repeating. This 1 we will not carry here. Now 5 hours. Now see, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, or we can say 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. So instead of writing 100 here, we can take out 60 from here and we can add in hours. This we can do. So see, minus 60. Minus 60 means 1 hour. So this is the reason that we are not doing carry. If we will do take carry in hour, of minute in hour, so there will be difference in the answer. Answer will be wrong. So see, I am repeating again. It was 5 hours 100 minutes. But as this 100 is crossing 60, so we will subtract 60 here, because 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. So we will subtract 60 from minutes and we will add 1 in hour, because 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. If you are taking 60 from here, it means 1 hour we are taking. So 1 we will add here. 100 minus 60, 40. You can subtract like this also. 0 minus 0, 0. 10 minus 6, 4. And here it will be 0. And here we are adding 5 plus 1, 6. So answer is 6 hours 40 minutes. I hope this is clear to you. Next question number 4. 2 hours 25 minutes. Only 15 seconds. 3 hours 50 minutes 8 seconds. So how we will do it? Hours, minutes, seconds. Now write first term. 2 hours 25 minutes. 2 hours 25 minutes. Second term 15 seconds only. So nothing is in minutes and hours. So 0, 0. Next is third term, 3 hours 50 minutes 8 seconds. So now we will do addition from this side. 5 plus 8, 13. 1 carry here. So 1 plus 1, 2. 23 seconds. 5 plus 2, 7. 3 plus 2, 5. So 5 hours 75 minutes 23 seconds. But as I told you, if in minutes it will cross 60, so it means we will subtract 60 from here and we will add 1 in hour, because 60 minutes 1 hour. So as 75 is bigger than 60, it is crossing 60, so we will take 60 from here and we will add 1 here. So 75 minus 60, 15, and here we will add 1. 5 plus 1, 6. So the answer is 6 hours 15 minutes 23 seconds. So this was a part of 11.4 exercise. This work you will do in your fair notebook, plus you will revise the table of 16 and 17. Thank you.